Good morning, what's up people? It's January 31st, 2018. Just weighed myself in at 185, so that's 6.6 pounds down since I started this on January 25th, 1 week ago. Good stuff, let's keep it going. What's up people, it's Keto Chef here. We are at Winco Foods in Eureka, California. Today we're going to be doing some lunch prep. I'm going to show you guys like a basic week's worth of lunch prep. I really want this channel to be for people who don't have a lot of cooking experience and to kind of show them how ketogenic cooking looks like. So my intent is to keep everything super simple. I'm not going to be making some crazy gourmet recipes. This is really like basic stuff that people who don't have knowledge of how to cook or much practice with it can still pull this off, right? Because if you're doing the ketogenic diet, you really can't go out to a store and buy prepackaged meals that are ketogenic friendly. It's tough, so you really, if you're going to do this thing, you got to get used to cooking. So we're going to start. I'm going to show you some of the ingredients that I got that I'm going to be working with today. We got some broccoli florets. We have some spinach. We've got some boneless, skinless chicken breast fillets, some romaine hearts, classic cut bacon, some pepper jack cheese, some olive oil mayonnaise with cracked pepper, some apple cider vinegar, some kosher dill pickles, some pepper, lemon pepper seasoning, and Himalayan pink sea salt. So those are pretty much all the ingredients I'm going to be working with today. So I'm going to get to cooking and show you how it's done. What's going on, Aiden? What are you doing? You out here hanging out with Daddy? You helping Daddy cook? I appreciate it. He's about ready to walk any day now. Yes, he is. Aiden, what are you doing? What are you doing with Daddy's tripod? You crazy kid. He says, I want to help. I want to do something, Daddy. Meal prep is complete. Hopefully that was easy for you to follow along with. Anyways, this is what we got right now. We have got 3 each of 2 different lunchtime meals. Meal 1, we have chopped romaine lettuce topped with our chicken salad and a side of broccoli. And meal 2, we have spinach topped with a chicken Cordon Bleu. That's a chicken breast, 8 ounces with 2 slices of bacon and a slice of pepper jack melted on top. Also with broccoli. And then to garnish, we have our apple cider cucumbers. So you are set for the week right there. Alright, so we got 6 lunchtime meals made. And we got leftovers as well. We have all this chicken salad left over. We got some romaine left. We have a whole chicken breast left. And we have the broth left from our chicken, which I will definitely use for some dinner recipes. You can add some almond flour to that on the stove and turn it into keto gravy. There's a bunch of stuff you can do with it, or you can just drink it as broth. Really good for you. Got your good sodium in there for your electrolytes, and it's good fat content from your olive oil. And anyways, yeah, so hopefully this is helpful. If you're watching this and you're thinking but that's I gotta eat the same thing, I mean, how extensive you want to go with this? If you want to cook 6 different meals for 6 different lunches for 6 days of the week, be my guest. Me, I don't have a problem with kind of eating the same thing on a regular basis, and still it's kind of you get to mix and match it up. You know what I mean? Monday you take your chicken Cordon Bleu, Tuesday you take your chicken salad, and just switch it up. It's delicious and it's satiating and it's everything you need to be within your ketogenic macros. I'm going to break down all the calorie content for each of those 2 meals and post that in the description below. So check it out. Got you dialed in. All right, stay tuned for more.